Buddy, check this out. Ito ang ating no-spot down payment, single spacious modern house na malapit sa Manila and Airport at nasa loob ng isang exclusive subdivision. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pao Pepito, your home search buddy. Hindi ka nga mabibitin dito buddy dahil ito ay may floor area na 167 square meters, open layout at move-in ready na nga rin ito upon turnover dahil basic complete finish na nga ito kaya naman less hassle at dadali mo na lang ang gamit at family mo. At ang maganda nga dito buddy ay mako-customize mo ang interior design ng iyong unit based sa iyong preference. Minimum lot size is 150 square meters. May provision ka na for 2 carport, pocket garden, lanay at magagamit mo ito for future home expansion. And yes buddy, nasa loob nga ito ng isang exclusive, maayos na community, maaliwalas, may resort style na amenities at may sariling commercial hub kaya naman siguradong ma-enjoy mo ang indoor at outdoor activities. Strategically located sa boundary ng General Trias at Tansa, Cavite, easy access to Manila and Airport via Cavitex at Cavite Laguna Expressway connecting to Vermosa, Villar City, MCX, and Alabang. Estimated monthly amortization is 98,000. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!